Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome all of you for joining this webinar. My name is Ravinder Singh, working as a Assistant Vice President for House Seekers. Before moving, I want to introduce about House Seekers. House Seekers is a fastly growing technology-driven company. We have our business spread across Mumbai, Delhi, and Pune with more than 600 happy customers. Our aim is to enable real estate buyers to make the right choice at the right time. We always very simple and memorable for all our customers. At House Seekers, transparency is the key to foster a culture of trust and understanding with every home buyer who walks in through our doors to seek our trusted service. A thorough and meticulous process minimizes the risk of investing in the wrong project, and we never charge a single rupees from our customer. Now I want to introduce our keynote speakers here in sales and marketing at Xanadu Realty.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is
Mr. Ritesh, current state situation and particularly land investment.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kaushik Patil. I'm here from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. So we are here to showcase the product to you. Of course, my colleague Rohit Singh will be taking you through the product presentation. But before that, just to set up the concept, we are here to introduce the branded seaside plots to you. And of course, these are from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. The concept behind this branded seaside plots is, since a lot of us aspire to buy plots, but we never have tried to go buy plots because of a couple of things. So there is no transparency in buying plots. We are scared that someone may encroach that land later, or the paperwork is not clear. So all this fear is there in the consumer's mind. What are we bringing to the table is we are going to sort out all this concerns, challenges, problems for you, right? Everything will be sorted by us, and it will be our aim is to create a smooth consumer experience in terms of land buying. So all this nitty-gritty is taken by this brand. It will be cleared by us, and you get a ready to use product, a plotted land parcel, which is clear of all the litigation, which is clear of all the paperwork, and the title deed is directly in your name. So that is the product proposition. Yeah, I will just pass it over to my colleague Rohit for the product presentation. Over to you, Rohit.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kaushik sir, for giving me such a great introduction about this overall prospect that what we are bringing in the market. So a very good evening, everyone. A very good evening to people who have joined us today. Today, my motive is to give you this presentation in such a manner that you get such an importance that what exactly a land can really bring change into a life's person, into an investment portfolio. People have been investing multiple places, but this is one investment that has been in the market from last several years. Your ancestors would have been investing in the land, and that has still been passing on to you. But today, when you think about the land, it's not something that you get in a regular time frame. It's not very easy to get something, and henceforth, today it's an opportunity that we are bringing from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. That's the opportunity of the lifetime. So welcome everyone, and from here we will be going ahead with our presentation. So, why exactly people invest? What's the exact motive behind a person's mind that they want to keep an investment? It's basically that they want to create a wealth out of it. And why exactly that wealth goes is for the brighter tomorrow, a memorable experience in today's, and also the plan that they have for the retirement in terms of their post or pre. But how exactly till date people have been investing? people have been investing via stocks, gold, fixed deposits, and also via the real estate houses or commercial properties. So what exactly a common thing that you can see in all this investment is something, these are pretty decent investments that people can really invest upon. They can easily get an entry. They know how to go invest and take out, get an exit also. But everything else has some plus or minus. If I'm saying that land is a difficult buying process, then definitely this investment portfolio have also got some difficulties or minus points. So let's see what exactly this has to give you in a positive and what's the negative. So when we talk about the assets, now assets are some now stocks are something that is an upside potential. It has a very good potential to give you very high returns, but at the same time, it also has got a very high volatility, uncertainty. That people, if a person doesn't know how to exactly invest, they might lose out a huge chunk of money of their savings. Then you talk about gold. Now, gold is a risk hedging investment. It's also safe that people usually invest upon. But no one expects a huge returns out of it, because the only returns that you can get from gold is only at the time of financial crisis. Today, who had invested earlier 10 years back, they had got a very huge appreciation because of the COVID situation. But once again, now the things are becoming normalized. The prices of gold once again started decreasing. Now, when you talk about the FDs are the most safest thing. Be it your ancestors, be it you, or be it your children, everyone will have some of the other investment in FDs. But apparently, what's the returns you are getting? Hardly any returns. A 5%, 5.25%. What exactly the returns you are getting from that? Nothing. Then when you talk about the houses or the commercial investments, there definitely you have the good returns. You get dual returns. You have your rental as well as you have your sellable value. But what's the small concern over there? Is the barrier in terms of your entry as well as your exit. Because at the time of entry, you have to put minimum 40 to 50 lakhs rupees to invest in a 1 BHK house also, especially when you're in Mumbai or in Pune. And at the time of exit, you have to wait for minimum 3 to 4 months of a time frame until you don't get a proper pricing. So you have to hold on to that particular thing. But when we talk about the land, all the minus points that you just saw becomes positive here, because here you don't have any kind of a barrier. Here you can invest as minimum amount as you wish to go ahead with. Here, the gold is one such asset which is the most safest asset. Nothing can be comparable in terms of the safety measures. Third, it also ensures that it keeps you giving the most highest returns as compared to any other. So just to prove my point that what I just spoke about, let me give you facts and data, and not being designed by me, but designed by the Knight Frank, a famous company which is known to give you the data for all the investment portfolios. So there is a data from 2008 to 2018 that showcase that a land has given the maximum returns of 134% in a period of 10 years. But when you look and compare the other investment portfolios, right from your FDs to your mutual funds to your equities, they have been ranging only from 6 to 65%. That's almost a difference of roughly at around 70-75%. So that's exactly a person gets returns when you invest in a land. And why exactly people are getting such high returns? Because land is an evergreen asset class. And henceforth, today it is also said that no one's making a land anymore. So you have got the opportunity, buy it today. Because land is one such asset which is timeless, which never depreciates, because of its less supply and higher demand. Hardly 29% of the earth is covered by a land. And when I talk about my property, it's the seaside property, which is hardly 0.2% in the earth, which is near to the seaside land. Then it steadily appreciates. Why? Because unlike other portfolios, it doesn't depend upon the market scenario like US dollar, Australian dollars or something. It purely depends upon the inflation of India and your development going on in India. Inflation that grows 2 to 3% every year, and development is something that even a road gets constructed next to your plot, your prices appreciate minimum by 8 to 9%. And then you have a legacy creating that definitely your ancestors have passed to you. And today when you invest here, you will be passing to your generation. But still, there have been many consequences to this, so because of which people haven't been investing much in the land. So why exactly people haven't been investing? Why you haven't been investing before this? Because you have also faced these problems, a problem like barren land. Because today, if you search on Google, you might find n number of plots options that are available over the internet, but you won't find a particular land which can give you all the amenities, all the supports like electricity, water supply. You might only end up getting a land, but with no supports. Then a lot many times there is a problem of the demarcation and the markings. Many times you get to miss out on those points. When there is no proper demarcation, definitely it will have a fear of encroachment from your neighborhoods. And last but not the least, which is the biggest problem, is the paperwork. Though the paperwork is very simpler, it's hardly 7 extract, it's hardly NA certificate, hardly your registration. But still, even if one paper gets missed out, your land ownership is on a very higher risk. So what I exactly talked about till now? I talked that land ownership is one asset which gives you the most highest returns, but also at the cost of higher risk. So should people doesn't invest upon this? Definitely not. Or definitely yes. But people who really know that what the importance of land is, they are ready to take this risk because they know that in future this can really help them fund their children's future education, or might be it can help their take a tour across the world by accumulating a certain amount. Or maybe for a person who have recently started his career, has that small capacity of investing a small amount and is looking forward to get a huge returns in future in starting with the business, he will also invest. Or a person who is definitely clear in his mind that, boss, I want to have my land piece over at this location, I want to construct my house at this location. So what change should I bring? When I told that I'm bringing in a lifetime opportunity from the house of Abhinandan Lodha, definitely I have to give you something benefit. I have to give you something that can really be lucrative and you can really easily invest upon. So my purpose today, my objective as a goal today is to eliminate all the risk which you saw in the earlier slides. And how exactly we're eliminating? It's simply that we are launching a new concept in the land, that is the branded land concept. And how exactly it is different from land is something. Land is just a land parcel for sale where you will definitely face all the other problems. But in branded land, it's a proper curated land parcel. So when I talk about my property, it's a 70 acres of the gated community so that no external factor get involved inside. You have got your complete safety. It's a proper 800-meter distance away from the seaside. So all the regulation norms have been taken care of. Then the facilities, the infrastructure like electricity, water supply, roads will all be ready before your possession itself. All the plots, be it a smaller plot, be it a bigger plot, every plot will have a proper demarcation with a 2 feet height of the fencings. Definitely, Abhinandan Lodha is entering into the picture. How can we miss on the thematic development? Though it's just a land, it's a land selling process, but still we are ensuring that we come up with the world-class amenities that people can really enjoy. And then definitely the land ownership documents. It will be handed over to you, all the documents somewhere in between your registration and your possession time frame itself. And it is going to be a professionally managed and secure systems that will be installing in this development so you can access your property right from your smartphone itself. So smart security is going to be installed. So what this says, that your process, that your product has been really very designed in a very particular manner that can help your process to proceed in a very smoother manner. So now I just talked about that my property is 800 meters away from the seaside. So what exactly are this benefits to a client? This benefits in two ways. One, definitely it becomes a dream asset. Who doesn't want to have his property near to the seaside, having a sea view and everything? Everyone wants that thing to happen in their life. And second, it always ensures that you have a higher appreciated value. Now let's to just give you a brighter experience in terms of this slide. Let me give you a small example. There is a place named Bandra, which I'm sure everyone is would be knowing about. But in Bandra also, there are two prominent locations, Bandstand and Turner Road. In fact, Turner Road is much more prominent than as compared to Bandstand. But just because Bandstand is there bank shore on the bank line of the sea, it has almost 60% higher value than what the Turner Road has to give you. Though the difference of the distance is only of 10 minutes. That's exactly the difference you have when you have your property near the seaside. So till now, let's take a refresher that what we have talked till now. I talked about land, that is a recession-proof asset. I talked about land by the sea, that becomes a dream as well as always has a higher appreciated value. And now I'll be talking about what I or my company has to offer you. That's the branded land by the sea. This ensures that it gives you an authenticity of getting all your clearance at time, giving you an opportunity to become the price holder rather than just being a price follower in this new introductory market. Because here, definitely you are taking a first mover advantage of entering this new market. So with this, let me introduce my codename Bliss. Codename Bliss that is coming from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. So what exactly Bliss talks about? So for this, let me showcase you a small EV first that will give you an experience of what exactly I will be talking in the further slides. But before that, only let me create a huge excitement in front of you. So just 1 second.
Ever dreamt of staying close to the blissful sea? The splendid by you. Introducing Codename Bliss. Discover seaside lifestyle plots at Dapoli from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. Discover a life bestowed with nature's finest blessings. Imagine waking up to the breathtaking view of the hills, taking a leisurely stroll on the beach, letting loose with your kids in the lush greens, reconnecting back with the simpler joys of life, and indulging in a lifestyle thoughtfully curated just for you. The breezy 5-hour drive away from both Mumbai and Pune, Dapoli, and its magical charm is sure to mesmerize your mind, stimulate your senses, and soothe your soul. Choose a lifestyle that comes with the promise of a growing investment and the assurance of one of the most inspiring legacies in real estate. The pristine mountains are waiting for you, and the azure waves are calling. It's time you truly experienced bliss with your choice.
So I'm sure this EV would have really excited everyone that what exactly this whole offering has to offer to every client. So now I would be talking about the Bliss. A Bliss is a game changer opportunity in the form of branded land investment stock schemes. Now what this terminology exactly mean is something, the brand that is coming from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. A land which is apparently a seaside land plot. An investment that is an upcoming location Dapoli. So why I say upcoming location Dapoli? Because when we talk about Dapoli as a location, Dapoli is blessed to be supported by 9+ major infrastructure coming up. Some already in place, some in work in progress, and some will be coming. And because of these reasons, Dapoli has been experiencing 12 to 15% year-on-year growth from last 3 to 4 years time frame. And that's exactly if this pricing continues. I'm not saying there's going to be any extra push or something. Let's leave apart. If the same 12 to 15% year-on-year growth continues, then still within a period of 5 years itself, by 2025, you would be getting a returns of more than 150+%. That's a promising location. That's a hidden gem for all the investors. Then when I talk about the stocks is a modular purchase. So here you have the choice of investing in multiple units as per the convenience of your size visibility or as per the convenience of your finance visibility. Then a scheme that talks about a simplified digital buying process. Today, many people buy products over the Amazon, Flipkart. In fact, in this pandemic situation, so everything has become online. And that same approach we are bringing first time in the land buying process. Is that before this land buying process haven't been such an easy task, but today it's there on your phone. You just have to choose your plot. You have to just select your pricing and proceed with your application. So I told that Bliss is the seaside life. So what seaside life brings a change in your life? It brings a calmness, it brings a relaxation, a state of a mind. It brings a respiratory system that brings a wonders to your experience. It encourages an active lifestyle, and at the same time, it gives you a sense of a pride of being both absorbent and experimental towards the nature. So what this Bliss has to offer you? Bliss is offering you a plot sizes ranging from 2,500 to 50,000 square feet in sizes. That's a multiple choices that you can go ahead with. Here you get an FSI 1.27 times. Now this is the biggest FSI that ever a development got is Dapoli. In Dapoli, the FSI was only ranging from 0.5 to 0.8%. But just because everyone knows that Abhinandan Lodha is someone who can really transform the complete market, hence we are also getting that support of getting a 1.27 times FSI. Henceforth, even you get a benefit of bringing your imagination of designing a house or a villa or even a mansion into the reality. Now, when coming specifically to Dapoli as a location, Dapoli is India's only one such location which is called as coastal hill station, and not just coastal and not just as hill station. Why? Because here you get to enjoy two different beauties of the world, that is your mountains as well as your sea interacting with each other. This is the exact same feature what Bali has to offer you, where people go on the international trips. So you have got your own Bali, a mini Bali in India itself. So there has been a military camp by the Britishers in the 1800s. Henceforth, today also many of the churches and historical places are still found. Has a very good potentiality to become the next Alibag by 2025. This is purely on the basis of the returns that you are getting. The market what Dapoli is today is exactly the Alibag was in 2010 or 2011. But Alibag took almost 10 years of a time to get you that 159% of the appreciation. That's exact number I'm quoting, 159%. But here in Dapoli, you are in a very good state where in just a period of 5 years itself, you'll be getting more than 150+% of the appreciation. And Dapoli has always been a nature's best kept secret. From last few years, people have been exploring Dapoli location a lot, and henceforth you get to see hidden coastal paradise of many places to roam around. Multiple quaint beaches. One of the beach is Kolthare Beach, which is just next to our development, hardly a difference of 10 minutes. Even that I will be showcasing you in the next slides. It is also the part of the UNESCO World Heritage. Why? Because of its fresh air, and because of that fresh air and its coastal, its hilly station areas, there multiple bird species can be easily be found. And one of the best places to spot dolphins in India is itself the Dapoli because of its clean water. And definitely Dapoli is a blend of history. It has been a local Maratha history for a very long time. Henceforth, you get to experience forts, mandirs, temples, and small villages to explore around. Now let's see what's the connectivity. What are the reasons that is making Dapoli such a promising place in terms of the investment, in terms of the tourist places? So one, the traveling is really convenient, be it from Mumbai, be it from Pune, be it from any part of the country of India. You can easily take a train, get down at Khed railway station, hardly in a 40 minutes distance you reach at our development, hardly a 40-minute distance. But at the same time, there is also a new introduction of the railway station being introduced, that is Mahad railway station. So this ensures that you already have one existence railway and a coming up railway. And this is something that is bringing an appreciation also. Secondly, very soon, down the line, 1.5 years time, people who are residing in Mumbai, they can easily come down to Dapoli in just a period of 70 minutes. Because from Belapur, the Navi Mumbai location, a Belapur marina is being getting designed. And from there, you'll be having jetty services for multiple locations. And one of the connection is being done to the Dapoli at Harnai Port. So just in a period of 70 minutes, you reach from Mumbai to Dapoli. At the same time, your new international airport. So currently the nearest international airport that what Dapoli has is the one that is in Santa Cruz, almost a difference of 240 kilometers. But once this new international airport in New Panvel starts functioning, it will be a distance of only 165 kilometers. That's already reducing 85 kilometers. And the good thing is that New Panvel International Airport has already got the permission to go ahead within cargo shipments by 2021 Q1. So for the initial 2 years, they would be doing all the testing work with the cargo shipments. Everything goes well. Then by the third year itself, they would be getting the permission to start with the passenger flights. So people who are coming from the outside also can easily get down at New Panvel International Airport in a difference of 5 minutes, reach Belapur. From Belapur, take a jetty and move towards Dapoli. That's easy and convenient connectivity you'd be having for Dapoli location. And definitely one of the very famous way to move towards Dapoli is itself the roadways. So from Mumbai, you have to take a Mumbai-Goa highway, that's National Highway 17. From Pune, you have to cross the Tamini Ghat, reach to Mangaon Road, and once again connect to Mumbai-Goa highway. Now, Mumbai-Goa highway is currently a 2-lane highway, but being expanded into the 6-lane highway. And to be very precise, 60% of the work has already been completed to construct a 4-lane highway. At the same time, the Tamini Ghat from Pune that you are coming, the Tamini Ghat is also currently a 2-tar road, but even that is expanded to the 4-tar road. And this both things ensures that your connectivity time reduces minimal by at least 1.5 hours time frame. At the same time, it all keeps increasing your prices also. Now, only infrastructure it's not something that only gives you the boost in terms of the appreciation. There has to be economic boosting also. An economic boost only when there is a cash inflow in the market. And how exactly cash inflow is? By bringing an opportunity of the employability, by bringing a huge workforce labor in the market. And that is something being done by Digiport and DMIC. Now, Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor is one of the biggest projects of India right now. And the exit of the DMIC towards the Western market is not in Mumbai. It's in the Digiport. And your Digiport is very nearby to your Dapoli area. Henceforth, all the international trades that are going to happen from the international market will happen from Digiport and then via roadways it will be moved towards Delhi. This will bring a huge workforce labor from the in and around of the surroundings of Digipur, and one of the region is itself the Dapoli. Henceforth, the people will be getting salaries. That salaries will be showcased as a cash inflow in the market, and that will bring the economic boost. Now, when you look at the Google Map location, so now I will try to explain that how exactly or why exactly my development is coming. So I'm sure everyone must be able to see a blue color marking in a yellow, in a U-shaped form, where I'm rotating my cursor also right now. So now U-shaped form that you're able to see, this is my 70 acres of the development that is 800 meters away from the seaside. 800 meters away from the seaside. And this whole development is on a hill cliff top. Exactly how you see multiplex from bottom down to the upper side, exactly this whole placement of the development is also going place. And henceforth, it ensures that no one's views gets blocked for the sea view, because as your houses keeps on going at the beyond areas, the ground level keeps increasing, and henceforth everyone has the equivalent view of the seaside. Secondly, I told that my Kolthari beach is very nearby to the seaside. I mean, very nearby to our development. So here is the Kolthari beach. Now, if you want to come down at Kolthari beach, you have got two options. Either you can take a car, drive by a road and come, or either you can easily walk down. So now that if you're taking a car, you have to come by this yellow color marked road that is apparently 1.5 kilometer. But who takes a car when you're very nearby to the Kolthari beach? You will simply walk down. Now your walking is hardly a distance of 900 meters. So you just need to get down from this hill cliff and walk straight towards Kolthari. That's hardly a 900 meter difference, a 10 minutes of walking. That's convenient place and the strategic location we are having a development. And now I'm sure people would be like, yaar, itna sab bata raha ho, kuch dikha to do actual image. So now I'm presenting the actual image of the site. Here comes your actual first image. This is from the very first line of my site. Now experience the second image is slightly from the back end side. And then comes your third image, a slightly more from the behind. So this showcases that for you be at any of the locations, definitely you are having a good sea view facing. Secondly, you also get to see an example that how exactly a 2 feet height of the fencing will be designed for the demarcation of your individual plots. So these were 2 or 3 photographs that I wanted to showcase to you. Now let me take you inside the development. What exactly inside I have to offer you? How exactly my 70 acres of the development will look like? What are the amenities that we are designing inside? So here you get to experience a lifetime experience, because all the amenities that I will be showcasing you are purely based upon a vernacular architecture. Now what a vernacular architecture means? So basically when you think about Dapoli, then what are the construction being done in Dapoli? You get to get an imagination in your mind that houses will be built upon woods, stones, red bricks walls. That's true. And that same thing we are also continuing in our development amenities also. So this becomes sustainable for us, cost effective for us, but not just, it is not only benefiting me, it will also benefit you also. Because in return, your maintenance cost gets really very minimal. And the later on when you talk about the maintenance and everything, you will be like, "Arey, itna kam maintenance." That's very good, because this is possible because we are taking an approach of vernacular architecture. So let me introduce my very first element, that is my community center, a kind of a clubhouse where you have all the amenities right from a smaller kid enjoying to an adult person. So a co-working space to your music or dance center, and also to your open air spaces to sit around. Then one of the second element is this aqua zone, which is apparently one of the most exciting element in this whole development, because this is a complete theme base of greenery, waters, and a gazebo in and around to sit out. An alternative image to that. Then comes your wellness center. Now wellness center has 3 elements: meditation pergola, spa, and indoor gym. So meditation pergolas will be open in this ground area that we can see, exactly the same imaginary that will be designed. And your indoor spa and indoor gym will be inside the room. And this whole development, this whole amenity is being covered by your plot areas. Now, this is the botanical garden. So here you will enjoy the lush variety of the plants, indigenous stonework, and most importantly, an open counter kitchen, so that you can come here, enjoy your meals in terms of breakfast, lunches, and then you can move out for the roaming in terms of exploring this whole location of Dapoli. Then the fifth element is your multi-sport play spaces, where you have the elements like your futsal turf, mini cricket pitches, basketball court, and you just name and you have those amenities. And once again being surrounded by all your plot areas. Now, this image seems to be a very normal image that you see on your daily basis life. But trust me, this is one of the most important factor. because here you get all your stockups of your groceries, hardware, essential medicines available inside the development itself. So it's a proper ground plus one convenience outlet. And most importantly, as I told in a few of the earlier slides, that this security is going to be a smart security system. So you can access your plot right from sitting any corner of the India. And here comes my final slide of my product. That is the complete 70 acres of the development layout plan. Till now, whatever the amenities that I showcased to you, we aren't being placing all those amenities at one single place. कि सब लोग दूर-दूर से चल के आए वहाँ तक. What we are doing, we are exploring, we are spreading all the amenities across the development, so that आप जैसे अपने घर से बाहर निकलो, एक amenities आपको आपके कदमों के बाहर मिल जाए. So here is the placement of my amenities. Number 1 is your sports amenities. Number 2 is your aqua zone. Number 3 is your community as well as your wellness center. And number 4 is your botanical garden. And all the light green colors with the white blocks that you are able to see in and around this location, these are all my plots that will be given to you as per the allocation. And how exactly the allocation will happen? Depending upon your application, which you'll be giving me today. So based on that application, a first come first serve allocation will be done. So whoever would have been given me an application first today will have more choices and preferences to choose their particular plot. So now I will be moving towards the commercials, that how exactly you can today apply here, how exactly you can get your plot here, and in that plot you can design your house in future. So Bliss, what Bliss has to offer you, as I talked about, that you have the option from 2,500 to 50,000 square feet. So mainly we have divided the units into 4 parts: Aqua, Laguna, Oceana, and Avente Grand. Now look, Aqua is 2,500, Laguna is 7,500, Ocean is 25,000, Avente Grand is 50,000. But apparently there is no restriction. If you want to go ahead with 2,500 plus 2,500, you can go with 5,000. You want to go ahead with 7,500 plus 2,500, 10,000. You can go with that. You want to go ahead with 50 plus 50,000. You can go ahead with that also. Now, when you want to go ahead with that, what do you have to do? A very basic, simple thing. We have a online service of my application. You just have to just go on the online, open my application form, fill in pre-booking form. Once you fill this pre-booking form, which is hardly a small detailings of your name, number, hardly something. Once you proceed, then you go to the payment gateway through CC Avenue. There you have to make a token amount of 99,000 for my Aqua unit, is 2,500 square feet. And as you keep on increasing the size, your token amount keeps on getting multiplied. So you just have to pay that token amount today, and then you can proceed with your application. Once you've submitted your application, immediately you get a receipt of your form submission on your desktop as well as on a mail. Now, once you're done with this, you be in a relaxation mind that today you have put your money in a particular good opportunity, in a good investment. Then in the month of February, your allocation will start happening. As I told you, allocation will be purely based upon your first come first serve. Whoever would have given me an application first will be called first, will be allocated first, and then we will move proceed with the another client. Once you give me a confirmation that yes, Rohit, तुमने जो मुझे allocation दिया है, I have liked that, let's move ahead. Then we go ahead with a registration. So you make me a payment of registration amount and stamp duty, and within that same month, by the end of February 2021 itself, your registration is done. And then comes your position. Now position will be roughly at around somewhere at a period of March to May 2021. Somewhere in between. So let's take a basic of April 2021. At that time, your position will be there with the basic infrastructure ready of right from your electricity, water supply, roads, your marking, demarcation, leveling, all those things. And with that, your full payment will be demanded for. So now coming to the main part. Till now, what we have actually known about the Bliss, till now we know that it's an evergreen asset which never depreciates. It's a branded land. So this also gives you first more advantage in the Dapoli market. It's coming from a reputed builder. That's the house of Abhinandan Lodha, which Dapoli has never seen before. Then it's a seaside lifestyle plot. Definitely one of the just hardly 800-meter distance away. What a person wants more in his life. Then a Dapoli that has been a hidden and on-cups for the growth. So it has been a hidden paradise, a hidden coast, a hidden gem for all the investors. So if we consider all these points, then definitely it becomes a priceless asset. How do exactly I give it a particular price? But if I want to sell, I have to give some price to it. And then only you can proceed with an application. So let's see that how should I be pricing this whole, my particular unit of Aqua, Laguna, also on. So let me bring And small example, today when you go in a Mumbai to search for a particular land plot, you won't find any. But when you go in Lonavala, definitely you will find 2,500 square feet, you will find. But at what cost? At a cost of 1 CR. And in that also, you're not getting any brand. You're not getting any seaside. It's only the hills and a local developer. In Alibag, also you will find 2,500 square feet. But at what cost? 50 lakhs rupees. Once again, only the seaside, nothing else. No brand or nothing. Then you talk about the Goa. Goa may you get 2,500 at a cost of 75 lakhs. But once again, only the seaside, not the branded one. But here in Dapuli, you are getting the seaside. You are getting the mountains. You are getting the brand. And you are getting something that is really coming from an A-grade developer. So how to price this thing that can become really very easy to acquire for you all people today. So now I'm introducing a price that I'm sure that everyone will really appreciate. So my price for today is 12.5 lakhs rupees. That is my unit cost. On this, you would be having a stamp duty registration and your infra charges. So total coming to 18 lakhs rupees. I guess it's a perfect price. Nothing can be much more better than this. But just hold on for a second. This 18 lakhs rupees, what I'm talking about, will be from the February, 28th of Feb. Once you have done your registration, after that, people who are coming, who have missed an opportunity today, they will be paying this amount. So that means that if the day you have done your registration, immediately you get an appreciation to your property. Because that day the market will know that the pricing for this development has become 18 lakhs rupees for 2,500 square feet. So what today I'm offering you? Today you're coming up pre-launch. Definitely have to offer you some good pricing, much more. So today my pricing stands at 9.90 lakhs rupees. That is a unit cost. When I take the all-inclusive also, that means when I take your agreement value, when I take your stamp duty registration, still the total amounts comes to only 12,52,000 rupees. That's the unit cost what will be in the month of February. And today that is your all-inclusive cost, 12,52,000 rupees. That's it. And this price is applicable only till 20th of September. So people who are willing to work with an application who have really liked, you need to take a call as soon as possible because this price won't be available after 20th of September. This launch will not be available after 20th September. Only the last few people who are there have got an opportunity. People who are looking at this presentation today or looking at this webinar, they are in a position where they can take a call. So requesting everyone to please take your call as soon as possible. But at the same time, one more request is there. When you're thinking about investing, don't think about investing only one single aqua plot. This is for 2,500. कि चलो 2,500 है, 12.5 लाख है, invest कर देते हैं. Don't think about like that. Think about investing in 2 plots. Because when you invest in 2 plots, what will happen? Your first plot will allow to pay for the another plot. Why exactly? So let's take an example. Today, I will talk only the unit cost. Let's not think about the all-inclusive. Today, the unit cost is 9,90,000 rupees. And in February, the unit cost will be 12,50,000 rupees. So what's the difference? The difference is of roughly around 2.6 lakhs rupees. But when you go for 2 plots, you would be saving 5.2 lakhs rupees when you compare today's price with the February price. When you look at the 5.2 lakhs rupees, what exactly that showcase to you? This is what is the half of the amount of my aqua unit has to offer today. My aqua today is offering you 12.52 lakhs all inclusive. And 5.2 is exactly the half of that. So what that means, today when you invest in 2 plots, you are saving almost 42% of the amount than what you would be spending more in the month of February 2021. That's a big saving that you people will be making if you go ahead with 2 applications today. So think about going ahead with 2 applications, not with only 1 application. So with this, I was done with my presentation. I have showcased you all the things that could be really presented in front of you that can really help you take a decision in terms of buying. And now we can take some of the questions that people would be having to ask us. Definitely, we are here to answer those questions. At the same time, I just hope that you start giving a team a call and start proceeding with your application. So thank you so much. And Kaushik sir, Mr. Ravindra, please take over.
Yes, thank you so much, Rohit, for explaining us in detail about this opportunity. And I would also like to thank you, Kaushik, for the explanation about this. And we would like to, we would be very happy to answer the questions from our audience. So we have received a couple of questions from our audience. So the very first question from Satyajit Tripathi is if he is interested to buy 10,000 to 15,000 square feet plot size, then he will have to buy 4 to 6 plots of 2,500 square feet each, or 2 plots of 7,500.
Yeah. So, hello, Mr. Tripathi. Just to answer your question, there is flexibility in terms of buying. So we have plots in size of 2,500, 7,500, 25,000, and 50,000. Now, if for supposingly for 10 plots, or I mean, as you mentioned, you can either buy plots in the multiplication of 2,500 or 2 plots of 7,500 also. That's quite possible. That should not be a challenge. So it's your preference how you want to diverse your investment over here, and accordingly you can do that.
Yes, there's another question from Samir Pednekar, that he wants to know whether a site visit is possible for this
Sure.
project.
So, Mr. Pednekar, right now the site visit is not possible because everyone is working out of home because of pandemic. Yeah, even I'm working here from my home. However, since it's an application model, you just have to participate right now. Right, February, when we announce the allocation, is when we are going to invite you there, and you're going to have a look at the plots. That's when you have a look and you decide whether you want to go ahead with this. We are very confident about the fact that the customers who are coming are going to like the land parcel. So please be rest assured about it.
Okay. Another question is from Dipanshu Jarodia. Wants to know the cost structure, value, the breakup, the proposition, I mean, that we have it.
Sure. So in fact, people who are interested, we are going to share the price sheet also with you one-on-one once we do a one-on-one deployment, right? But Rohit, would you be able to just project the price sheet over here for a 2,500 and 7,500? Yes.
Okay. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. So apparently, as I talked, the 4 major inventories: Aqua, Laguna, Oceana, and Avente Grand, on which your size is 2,500, 7,500, 25, and 50,000, on which you are getting the FSR 1.27 times. Henceforth, your buildable area becomes 3,175, 9,525, and so on. Now coming to the price sheet. So in an XRP, you can see my price sheet. So when you talk about the Aqua, that is your 2,500 square feet of the plot size. Your plot cost plus your infra cost becomes your agreement value. That is 11,40,000 rupees. Then comes your stamp duty and registration, and total comes to 12,52,000 rupees. So that's the all-inclusive price I was talking about. And as you keep increasing your units, your prices automatically gets multiplied.
Sure. Thank you, Rohit. I hope that answers your question. There's some anonymous attendee which is showing what is the elevation at site from sea level. So the elevation is around ballpark 200 feet above the sea level. So it's a cliff which is a vertical cliff. So it's at around 200 feet. So it's a wonderful aerial view which you will get about for the sea.
There is another question from one of the attendees stating that wants to know, this is it's from the house of Lodha.
Yes.
Wanted to know how is it related to?
Yeah, so it is
Lodha
from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. Abhinandan Lodha is the youngest son of Mr. Mangal Prabhat Lodha, right? Of course, he was initially associated with Lodha Developers, and then now Lodha Developers has been handled by Mr. Abhishek Lodha, who is the eldest son. The younger son is handling Lodha Ventures, and this is under the umbrella of Lodha Ventures, and the brand name is House of Abhinandan Lodha.
Great, Kaushik. Another question is from Praful, who is from Mumbai. He is looking for Laguna plot, wants to know whether finance would be available for this plot, and
Sure.
Would there be banks involved or from NBFC?
So the finance is available in principle. There is an approval which we have from HDFC. However, the product is going to be introduced at the time of launch in the month of February. The product is a plot loan product from HDFC or by HDFC. right? The tenure is around 15 years. The rate of interest what they are going to offer is 8 to 8.5%. And the LTA is around 60%. So the loan value which you get is around 60%. Of course, depending on the eligibility, it may increase as well.
Great. There is one NRI client who wants to know, because of COVID, how can an NRI client register the land?
So NRI, if you plan to come over here in Mumbai, then you'll have to give, do you plan to come in Mumbai? Or it's in power of attorney which you'll have to give. There is something which works, which is called a POA, right? Once you come down before February also, if you want to come down, you have to give that power of attorney to someone over here. Now there will be two power of attorneys. In case you're planning for a bank loan, then there'll be a power of attorney for a bank loan also. And the another one for stamp duty registration. So there is a way out, but then at least once you'll have to come here for that.
Okay. There are quite a lot of questions coming up from the audience.
I'll Ravindra, if you don't mind, I can go through the questions. Yeah, I'll just quickly read and answer them myself. So another anonymous attendee is asking, can we see actual plot photos? We have shown you the actual plot photos. The rest we are going to show it to you in the month of February. Of course, having said that, there were few customers who went to the plot themselves and have shared the photos. But officially we cannot. Those are not processed photos, or they are pretty raw photos shared by the customers. So on one-to-one engagement, of course, we'll be happy to share those pictures with you. Right. So I hope that answers the question. Mr. Pushkar R, can we get a costing sheet? It's right in front of you. You can always take a screenshot, Mr. Pushkar R. Some anonymous attendee, what are the maintenance charges per month? So the maintenance charges is 5 rupees a square feet, and this is for a year. So for a 2,500 square feet plot, it's going to be around 12,500 rupees per year. Okay. Some anonymous attendee again, is this plan approved by local body? Is there any place like Samshan Bhumi or other places which you will like to tell us? No, there is no Samshan Bhumi close to this. The two villages where this plot is located is Sheetal Nagar and Poltare. Of course, the name of the beach is Poltare. It is approved by the local. So eventually when you come in February, we are going to show you the NA approval. The title deed will be in your name. We're going to show you the encumbrance certificate. Now, what is encumbrance certificate? Is that shows you if are there any litigations, any legal implications which are going on the land. So it's going to be that transparent, right? All the documents will be shown to you. Mr. Nambi is asking, is the project ready? Project is not ready. It is it's like the leveling work, the transformers has to be pulled off. So everything is in process. The position is in the month of May next year. So right now you just apply for this. February is when the plots get allocated. Once you confirm the plot, you do the stamp duty registration, and May is when plus minus 1 month, you take the possession. Mr. Amish Dutt, do we get to visit on site and see this place? We will invite you in the month of February. Right now, we won't be able to host you, Mr. Dutt. However, we can share the coordinates. You're free to go on your own. There are people who have gone there, driven, and seen the place and come back. So we can share the Google coordinates with you. However, I would request right now if you can expedite, because for doing these things, you have ample amount of months in your time. This 99,000 rupees application fee for a 2,500 square feet plot is a fully refundable fee. So right now it is imperative for everyone to participate. So February, when we are launching, as Rohit mentioned, the current plot cost is 9.9 lakhs. In February, it's going to be 12.5 lakhs. Right? That's in straight appreciation of 2.6 lakh rupees. Currently, what you are investing is not 9.9 lakh. So the appreciation you are getting of 2,60,000 is just by investing 99,000 rupees, right? So you invest 99,000 rupees and you enjoy the appreciation on 9.9 lakh rupees. That is the beauty of this product. That is the beauty of applying right now. So we, of course, people who are going to trust in the brand, we of course value those customers, and these customers will get that benefit. However, just in case if someone is a little skeptical to participate right now, of course, we launch again in the month of February. You're free to come then, right? You're free to buy then as well. We also appreciate those type of customers who will believe in, seeing is believing, who would say that. So 12.5 lakhs will be the cost then. So that opportunity cost is there. Mr. Nitin Desai is asking, is the development pre-approved by any bank, what would be the total cost of 2,500 square feet Aqua? Mr. Desai, the total cost is 12.52 lakhs. It is projected on the screen. Yes, it is in principle approved by HDFC Bank, and at the time of launch, we are going to launch. We'll announce it to you. So the loan will be available to you. Be rest assured about that. Some anonymous attendee is asking, how is payment plan until registration? Right now, you just participate. You apply 99,000 rupees. After the allocation of plot, if you like the plot, okay, we proceed with the registration, which is in the month of February. And after that, possession is in the month of May. That's when the entire amount will be due. Okay, I'll skip the site visit questions. I think I've answered them already. Yeah. Mr. Tripathi, is it book building sort of exercise? Any upside for existing Lodha customer? No, this is not book building sort of exercise. We are just taking 99,000 rupees, right? I'm sure the total, if I compare total number of plots and I consider 99,000 rupees, it's just merely 5 crore rupees, Mr. Tripathi, you know, and 5 crore rupees for Lodha won't be a book building exercise. And any upside for existing Lodha customers? Not as of now. This is a pre-launch offer which is there, and we have already reached to a lot of Lodha customers, existing Lodha customer. We don't have a loyalty Prefrati product as of now. However, in the due course, when another land parcel will be launched under this name, we will have that product. But for now, we don't have that product. Mr. Tripathi would like a call. Mr. Ravinder, if you can make a note of that, he would like a call for further discussion.
Yes, I have made a note of it.
Sure. We'll get back to you, Mr. Tripathi. Mr. Praful Yadav, Mukboi looking for Laguna. Are the finance available with banks or NBFC? We have answered this. It is with HDFC Bank. Yeah. Is this bank approved project? Yes. But the norm is once we officially launch the project with RERA number is when the bank will come in and we'll announce. As of now, you will have that product available. Yeah. What is currently on ground? Need to see the work or project piece before the application fee. As I told you, Mr. Yadav, on one-on-one, I will share those unofficial photographs with you, which are shared by the customer. I will do that. Yeah, we'll do that. Miss Prarthana M would like to have a site visit. Ma'am, it's not possible. That's how the product is. If site visit is what you want, then it's in the month of February, right? Mr. Desai, is the current position of COVID, do we need to present for documentation? The documentation will be in the month of February, Mr. Desai. Yeah, I think we all will be used to it by then. November is when, you know, more than 50% of Mumbai will open. What is the projected value of this property in 3 years? I would like to be very pessimistic about it. Just to, as Rohit has cited an example about Alibag. Alibag was transacting at 500 rupees 3 years back. Today, Alibag is transacting at 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. So at least, you know, you can expect this location also to transact at that particular rate in a span of 3 years. That's a pretty pessimistic calculation which I'm giving you. Mr. Swami is asking, is it covered under RERA? RERA, it will be covered in the month of February when we launch the project with all the documents. Yeah. So there is already a plot which is adjacent to this plot. It is in the name of Lodha Padmavati. We already have an RERA for it. It was a dipstick which was done so that to check the quality of soil. Is the construction possible? Are we able to pull in electricity, everything over there? Is the water available? Borewell agar dali hai to water pani niche mil raha hai kya? So all those things are done. Okay, and the 16-acre land parcel was launched. After that, now this is the go-to market plan for a bigger land parcel under the brand name, right? Initially, we were not confident about it, so it was very minuscule exercise which we did, and this Lodha Padmavati product was not taken out to the market. Right? So it will have an RERA eventually, Mr. Swami. Mr. Kedarnath Paddy, layout of the plot, design the plot, need to know. We have already showed you the artistic design and the indicative layout in the presentation, right? It is that plot, and in the month of February, everything will be clear to you. Mr. Aniruddha Dingankar is asking, hi, as plot are 600 plus and now application are 1400 plus. How can I get the plot now? I think this is not the right information, Mr. Dingankar. Applications are not 1400 plus. The applications are close to 700. Okay, the unique customers are 500 because there are people who have bought multiple plots. Again, there is a category in this. So there is a 7,500 category, a 2,500, 25,000 and 50,000. So yes, we wouldn't have been here if the plots were not available, right? We are selling the plots because they are available. So please be rest assured, the plot will be available for you. Pleasure, Mr. Tripathi. Mr. Sachin Bedmutha, I want to buy 7,500 square feet. I want exact location, layout or plan copy, payment terms. As I said, Mr. Bedmutha, the product is same for everyone. There is no exception. People are buying because this product is good and there is a value in this product. I would also urge you to buy, to participate. It is just the application fee which we are taking right now and you are going to enjoy the application. Please have a faith in the brand. It is the brand which we have seen and there is a name associated to this brand. Hence, you're not dealing with any local developer here, right? So please be assured about that. The plan layout more than you, we are also, concerned more about the brand value, right? And the brand image in the market. So, and please have that belief and that trust in the brand, right? You have kept all you customers have kept the trust in the brand all this while. So please have that trust. Okay, it will be done. Don't worry. You need not be concerned. However, on one-to-one, again, an engagement, Mr. Bedmutha, we will contact you. Ravinder ji, if you can mention, Mr. Sachin Bedmutha, unka bhi aap naam note kar sakte ho to. So
Yes.
we will contact you again. On the indicative layout, I will show that to you. Okay, so what is the plan like? What is the tentatively plan? So that you get confidence in this. How soon Galaxy Tab A, okay, I don't know the name. How soon can I start construction on the plot? I mean, as soon as you get the possession, the construction can be started, right? Miss Ulka Sanas, whatever infrastructure explained, what would be the completion target for those? Good question, Miss Sanas. So the possession, we intend to give it to you in the month of May, plus minus one month, right? I would still say maybe by August or September is when the possession will be given to you, right? We are targeting May because that's when the entire cash flow comes in, right? That's when the entire payment will be given. And it is just the plotting which we are doing. So it will happen pretty quickly. There's a huge amount of power machinery which has been placed over there. Mr. Sanjay Israni is asking, if I want to buy the Avanta Oceanic plot, what is the maximum size and how can I buy and what will be the location? Avanta Garde, which is a 50,000 square feet plot, and Oceania, which is a 25,000 square feet plot, right? These plots are located in front of the land parcel. Of course, because of the ticket size, people who are considering this are making a big investment of 1 crore, 2 crore. So there is a priority given to this customer, Mr. Israni. Yeah. We'll connect you again with, we'll connect again with you, Mr. Israni. Ravinder ji, if you can make a note of him also. Yeah.
Yes.
So Mr. Anonymous attendee, is House of Lodha anyway related to Lodha developers? We have answered this question. It belongs to Abhinandan Lodha, who is the younger son of Mr. Mangal Prabhat Lodha. These are two different entities. Lodha developers is now handled by Mr. Abhishek Lodha, who is the elder brother. Younger brother, Mr. Abhinandan Lodha. Yeah, he's handling House of Abhinandan Lodha. He's the company, the umbrella brand is Lodha Ventures. Under this is House of Abhinandan Lodha and Xanadu Realty. Right? Anonymous attendees, can we come there and see the site? Yes, of course you can, but we are going to invite you in the month of February. If you're booking, we would love to host you over there. Right now, unfortunately, we are not able to give you that experience. Mr. Jitendra Shah, will there be individual Satbara extract for each plot? That's a very good question, Mr. Shah. Yes, there's going to be an individual Satbara for everyone, right? That is the main USP of this particular branded seaside plots. Okay, another question is, what has been trend in Dapoli land price in past 5 years? I would say in past 5 years, the increase, I mean, the Dapoli started just 1.5, 2 years back, and that's when people started acquiring land parcel over there. The developers started acquiring land parcel. This is pretty at a nascent stage. So first it started with Harnai, right? Harnay is the land parcel which came first. People started investing there. Today, Harnay is transacting at 500 rupees a square feet, right? And of course, people are not preferring Harnay now, though it's going to be a port. But if I have to compare, right? If I have to compare something, like everyone has been to Goa, right? Goa, Kalangut is the destination which everyone is aware of. Jo bhi Goa jata hai, everyone goes to Kalangut. But would you like to stay at Kalangut? The answer is no, because it is pretty commercialized. There are a lot of restaurants, there are a lot of crowd over there. So that's why people prefer locations like Siolim, Anjuna, Vagator. And these are actually heavy, upmarket locations now than Kalangut, which was initially a location. It started from there. It's a similar story over here. We are like 12 to 13 kilometers away from Dapoli. This is going to be an upmarket location with an upmarket brand over here, right? And since the brand is coming, the rest entire. So when Lodha developers came up with Lodha Belmondo, yeah, which is in Hinjewadi, it was right on the highway, expressway जहाँ खत्म होता है. People used to think ये कहाँ पे ये लोधा बेलमोंडो लेके आए हैं. But when that sold, उस जगह की जो आज वैल्यू बढ़ गई है, उसके आजू बाजू में जो डेवलपर्स आए हैं, we all have seen that, right? So that is the value of the brand. So please be rest assured about that. Mr. Vivid Sood, we might be interested in Aqua Plot. Is it on the higher platform or at the foot? So as farther you go from the sea, the land is elevated, Mr. Sood, right? Everyone is going to, so these are seaside plots, just to set up the expectation. किसी के प्लॉट से समंदर 1 मिनट 2 मिनट की दूरी पर होगा, किसी के प्लॉट से 4-5 मिनट की दूरी पर होगा, walking distance, right? But since the land parcel is elevated and there's a high restriction in terms of construction for a house, everyone will get a sea view from the first floor and terrace, right? Ravinder ji, Mr. Vivek Sood ko we have to contact.
Yes, I have made a note of it.
Sure. Miss Achal Nagpal, construction will be done by your contractor only, or is the elevation will be same for all bungalows, or it's open for outside contractor? Ms. Nagpal, we have given this flexibility. We're going to give you contacts of architects. You may choose to do it through them. If not, you're flexible to get in your own architect and contractor, right? We don't have any parameters for construction. However, there are certain guidelines. So you have to be within that FSI and the height restriction, which is there. Otherwise, there is no such theme or something. There is a flexibility for everyone. Mr. Dipen Shah, where are you at site? No, Mr. Shah, I'm sitting at home right now. So we all are working here. We would have loved to sell it from the site. You know, it would have been an experience for me also to visit Dapoli and sell rather than sitting here in Mumbai, right? But unfortunate scenario now. But of course, in the month of February, we'll be hosting you there. Side pictures, Mr. Uttam, on one-to-one deployment, I will share it to you. There were 2 pictures which were there in the presentation. So Mr. Uttam, we can contact Mr. Ravinder ji. Mr. Tripathi, again, stamp duty might come down due to government initiative. It has already come down, Mr. Tripathi. So till December, it's at 3% and then maybe 3.5% from Jan to March. However, our registration will happen only post March, as I said, right? However, there are high chances, high possibility that government might extend this as well in the interest of the real estate community. So people are expecting that now. Let's keep fingers crossed. Mr. Dingankar, again, does SBI provide a loan? No, Mr. Dingankar, we don't have this loan product. Plot loan product is not available with SBI. This plot loan particular product is available with only few banks. HDFC has that product, and hence there are very few choices. Mr. Pushkar R, same question. So we've answered it. Mr. Vivid Sood, so if the finance is approved by HDFC, will the amount be basis pre-launch or post-launch? The person who is booking now, the amount will be, we are going to lock the rate for you. So whatever we are offering you now will be the rate if you book now. Bank loan available? Yes, Mr. Pednekar, the bank loan from HDFC is available. Mr. Anonymous attendee, will Lodha help to build a house? We are going to provide you the architect contacts and you can liaise with them, or you may get your own architects. Answer this. When will be the, Mr. Anonymous attendee, when will plot be allocated or we can select the plot? The plot will be allocated in the month of February, but that doesn't mean there will be a flexibility. We are confident that you're going to like the allocated plot. You can, of course, give your preference also. But in case if you don't like the plot, we will offer you a few more plots. We won't let you go so easily, Mr. Anonymous Attendee. Yeah. But in the worst scenario, this 99,000 is refundable. Yeah. If that's an unfortunate scenario, yeah, we will be extending that to you. But for now, we are going to retain the customer. It's equally important for us also. So we will offer you alternate plots. Mr. Sachin Bedmuta, what amenities are you providing? So amenities, we went through the presentation, Mr. Bedmuta. Just to reiterate, there's going to be a community center, there's an aqua zone, and there's a wellness center which will have your meditation decks, your spa, etc. Right? So all this, and plus there is a botanical garden also. So these are the amenities which are there. Mr. Benny Deepak, can you display the site coordinates? Yes, we do have the Google coordinates. Will you be able to, Rohit, project the map, the Google location over here?
1 second, I will do that.
Sure, yeah.
Till that time, you take further question. I will.
Sure. Yeah, I will. Yeah, let's do that. So, Mr. Deepak, we will project that for you. Ms. Prarthana M, what will be the cost all inclusive if I book 2 aqua? It's 12.52 for 1 aqua, into 2 is for 2 aqua. So around ballpark, it's around 25 lakh rupees odd. Mr. Pulkit Patni, any approval required from environmental authority? No, Mr. Patni, this is under the CRZ norm, right? And everything will be taken care and will be done by us. Uttam, Mr. Uttam's February 22 is launch time. No, it's February 21, Mr. Uttam, the following year. Coordinates, yes. So you mean to say my coordinates? I will just mention. So my name is Kaushik Patil, and my contact number is 9619 060301. Yeah, I will just repeat. It's 9619 060301. My name is Kaushik Patil. When you are calling me, if I just in case don't answer, just drop me a WhatsApp and I will get back to you, and we can maybe refer to this Harmony webinar.
And by the end of this webinar, we will also share our email address and our contact details so that you can get in touch with us and we don't miss any of them.
Sure.
And our sales team will also contact each and every attendees. Will call them and understand their requirement, and we will take it ahead from there.
Of course. So we will call you, our team will call you. We have a set of managers who will explain you the product. I'm also available at your disposal. If there are any queries, further queries which you'll have, please feel free to connect with me. So Rohit is just showing the coordinates. I think Rohit will have to show the satellite view, is it?
Yes, yes. Loading just a bit.
Yeah, okay. I'll take further questions till then. You just have to click on the satellite thing, Rohit, down. Okay, so I'll hold on to the questions for now. So if you can see Rohit's cursor, Rohit, if you can slowly hover your cursor on the 70-acre land parcel, right? So this entire thing is our land parcel, right? And Rohit, if you can just rotate, will you be able to rotate it?
Yeah, I'm rotating.
No, the entire projection, the map projection.
Yes, I guess because it's a screen share, so my cursor wouldn't be getting visible.
Okay, all right, okay, sure. So this is, as I said, onto your left is directly the sea. The green portion, what you see is the cliff. Okay, and from the sea, as you go back towards the Carissa Milo, which is there, the land parcel is an incline. It's a contour land, which is inclined. Right. Rohit, you want to show them the beach also? So yes. Just if you can just zoom a little bit, zoom in. Yeah, and you go further down. So there is this Ganpati Mandir, and just next to the Ganpati Mandir is the beach. So the sea face, what you see, this is the entire beach, which is there. Its name over here onto your green. Rohit, further down. Yeah, down, down. Yeah, onto your left is Kolthare. So there's a balloon there in green which mentions Kolthare Beach. That is the one. Yeah, Rohit, we can move to the questions again. You can just project the price sheet. Yeah, Miss Manu Nair, is project approved by SBI? No, it's only HDFC for now. Mr. Anup Tejwani, I logged in at 4:45, so missed out the details as webinar was in concluding stage. How will be able to get the details? Mr. Tejwani, we will contact you again for this. Mr. Ravinder, if you can make a note. Thank you.
Yes, I have made a note.
Yeah, Mr. Tejwani, our team will contact you again for this. We can do a one-to-one webinar again. Mr. Arora, when can I start the construction? Immediately after possession, Mr. Arora. You want to hold on to it, of course, and do it after a while. Maybe you can do that also. So there is no such restrictions. Ms. Prathana, and you told that only Aqua are refundable? No, only Aqua, all the plots are refundable. It's just that I cited example about Aqua. All the plot categories, whatever is the application fee, irrespective of the plot categories, is refundable, Ms. Prathana. So if we want to sell after some time, whether you will help and what will be the valuations, we would not be able to assist in terms of the selling the land parcel, but of course there is already an internal demand which will be created because this is a branded land parcel. There are developers in and around also, but as soon as any particular places develop, there are channel partners, or there are people locally who start transacting, and the same thing happens in Goa also today. Yeah, so the same thing you can expect, and this is a branded land parcel. It will be easy for you to exit from here. Mr. Vivil Sood, is it mandatory to build a structure on the plot in a speculated time, or we can stay invested in the plot without any structure? You can do that, Mr. Sood, but majority of the clientele we are getting is who would want to construct the plot and stay there. But yes, you can do that. Mr. Tripathi, request callback. Yes, Mr. Tripathi, we have made a note of that. So we are going to call you back after this webinar, right? We'll do that. And Mr. Ravinder, if we can call Mr. Tripathi on priority because he's told us twice.
Yes.
So we'll do that, Mr. Tripathi. Mr. Uttam, last date of application will be around 22nd of this month. But earlier the better, I would say, because, then the timestamp is earlier for you. So it's 22nd September. We may extend it by another week, say by 30th September, but for now it's 22nd September. Mr. Jarodia, what's the name of the plot? Which comes first on the beach? It is Oceania and Avantgarde. These are two categories, Mr. Jarodia, which is 25,000 and 50,000 square feet. Mr. Arora, would there be any additional charges then? Yes, Mr. Arora, the only additional charge apart from the price sheet is the maintenance charge at the time of possession. You pay the maintenance 5 rupees per square feet for a year. So for an Aqua plot, the maintenance charge is 12,500 rupees, which you will be paying extra. Mr. Anonymous Attendee, if I book now but not buy later, I will get a refund. Yes, you will get a refund, Mr. Anonymous Attendee. But I would say just make your decision. You will any personal reason or any unforeseen circumstances, force majeure right now, because otherwise there are other people also in the queue who would want to apply, right? But in terms of refund, yes, it will be possible. When Mr. Girish Pai, when we will entry agreement, now or in February? Right now is the application fee. February, after, of course, once you confirm the plot is when we enter into stamp duty registration. Now is only 99,000 rupees for an Aqua which you pay, and respectively for other plots also. Mr. Anonymous Attendee, is it under RERA? It will be in RERA in the month of February. Right now your NA, everything is in process. So once that is done, that's when we allocate you, and after that it will be available. Mr. Jeevan Dabra, is the advance paid now refundable with any condition? There are no such conditions. The only condition is once we allocate you, within 10 days at least, we expect you to confirm, Mr. Dabra. And it is just, but the cancellation is just by sending one simple mail from your registered email ID with us. You just have to send a mail to a particular ID and it is cancelled. So that is the only expectation which we are keeping from you, that within 10 days you have to confirm. Mr. Bharat Damre, can we build residential house on the plot? Yes, Mr. Damre, it's any residential, so it's only for residential house. Mr. Uttam, area, I didn't quite understand your question, Mr. Uttam. Okay, total area. Total area is, this is a 70 acre land parcel, Mr. Uttam. Out of which, 15% will go for infrastructure, 15% will go for your landscaping, everything. Mr. Pushkar R, please share contact details via email. Sure. Would we have email as well, Ravinder ji?
Yes, we will share it with. I've made a note of it.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Uttam ji has advised to call. Yes, we have made a note, Uttam ji. We will call you. Mr. Vas, how many plots are in Aqua? I wouldn't have the exact count, but 40%. So out of the 100%, 30% is my Aqua, Oceania and Avantgarde. 30% is my your Laguna plot, which is 7,500, and another 40% is your Aqua, which is Mr. Amish Dutt. Till when will the public spaces like pool and all will be complete? This is at the time of possession, maximum by September. So clubhouse, as confirmed by the project management team, will be delivered by September. Mr. Jarodia, I too look for a callback for further details. Sure, Mr. Jarodia, we have made a note of this as well. Mr. Dipanshu Jarodia, Ravinder ji.
Yes.
Mr. Arun Bajaj, call me for detailed discussion. We have to call Mr. Arun Bajaj also. Exact distance from Palava, Mumbai, I will really have to check on that, Mr. Goyal. However, from the Panvel airport, it's 165 kilometers. If I may request you to just check Sheetal Nagar, Dapoli on your Google Maps, you'll be able to figure that out. Okay, so the location is Sheetal Nagar, right? Or Kolthari, Dapoli, if you check, you will get the exact location. However, from Panvel, it's 165 kilometers. Mr. Mihil M, need to see actual pictures on one-on-one interaction. We'll show you the pictures, Mr. Mihil M. Mr. Anonymous attendee, sir, if you can just mention your name, because it will be difficult for us to connect with you. You are interested in 7,500 square feet plot, right? Everything will be providing you, but if you could just mention your name. Mr. Ajite, when you mention another scheme in February 21, is that same location or new site? No, that's the same location. We are going to keep a couple of plots available in terms of yield gaining, and it will be sold at a higher price. Do you also help in building the house? We are going to provide you contact of architects, and you can also get your own architect. What is the expected cost of construction of 2,500 square feet plot? The expected cost of construction lies from 800 rupees a square feet to 1,500 square feet rupees a square feet, and sky is the limit, Mr. Dabra. But basically, 1,000 rupees square feet ke hisab se you can, for a good home. Mr. Anup Tejwani, so kindly arrange a call for details and registration process. Yes, Mr. Anup Tejwani, we will do that. Mr. Ravinder, if you can make a note.
Yes, I did.
Mr. Devang Pandya, how will the location of plot will be decided? Will I be able to choose my preferred one? You can give us your preference, Mr. Pandya. As Rohit shared the Google location on it, you can just give us on one-to-one interaction. We will give you further details, right? And then we can take your preference. Mr. Pushkar, what are the water arrangements and how far is nearby market and bus stop? So market is in the vicinity in Kolthari village also. The main market, which is Dapoli, is around 12 to 13 kilometers, as I mentioned earlier from here, right? In terms of water arrangement, there's going to be a bore well which is there at the site. So water and electricity will be available. Ms. Ulka Sanas, how would be further construction model? It will be unique house model or based on purchasers wish? It is on purchasers wish, Ms. Ulka Sanas. Is there any binding period if we can to sell off after a year? You are locked until possession, Mr. Anonymous attendee. After that, you may choose to sell. However, I would not advise that. I would at least advise you a holding period of at least 6 years, to get a good appreciation. I mean, even mutual fund आप 6 साल 7 साल होल्ड करते हो तो ही आपको appreciation मिलता है, नहीं तो नहीं मिलता. Doesn't make sense, sir. Otherwise, yeah. Can we get proper detail in writing about the plot rates? Yes, of course, everything will be shown to you. Right now, we can share an email, right? At the time of booking, all the documents will be shown to you. Total plots, roughly around 850 ballpark plots are available. Mr. Amish, just all in amount we given in February or 20th of September. All in amount will be given by, so February is only when you do the stamp duty registration, right? All in amount is by May at the time of possession. Mr. Pushkarar, how many units? We've answered that, around 850 units, including everything, right? Mr. Digankar, thank you for clearing doubt. Pleasure, Mr. Digankar. Mr. Anonymous attendee, again, does amount can be negotiated? Sir, this is a pre-launch price, and hence we are offering pre-launch prices. And after this, when we are telling you that the rate will be higher in the month of February. Now there are developers which are in and around the vicinity. The developers who are 3 to 4 kilometers away from the sea are selling at a higher rate from us, right? Of course, you can do your homework as well, but please be rest assured about the rate, right? Mr. Hemant Goel, is sea view available to each aqua plot? Yes, as I said, since it's an inclined land parcel, the sea view is available from the first floor and the terrace. And you cannot keep an expectation that ground floor se aapko sea view dikhega. But since height restrictions say, the plot placement will be such that from all the plots, first floor terrace se aapko sea view tak dikh jayega, Mr. Goel. Mr. Anonymous attendee, what if we registered now and tomorrow there are many customers and you're not able to allocate the plot? We will allocate to the customers. If there are customers who are applying later, of course the money will be refunded to them. But the plot will be allocated to you now. You know, usually, there are few customers who cancel, who may not get loan, who book now. They are very optimistic about it. So cancellations will always happen. We have to consider that as a business model. When I pay application fee, will allotment confirm or it is a lucky draw basis? When you fill in the application fee, your application is confirmed. Allotment is as per your preference and will be confirmed by you in the month of February once we allocate you the plot. Mr. Anirudh Digankar, does Lodha provide bungalow if I wish Lodha to build a bungalow for me? No, we'll be providing you architect contact details. So we will not be building bungalows for you. If we build bungalows and we sell it to you, then it attracts GST also. So this is a pretty flexible model. I'm sure you would not want to do that. Ms. Manu Nair, what is maximum square foot resident size which can be constructed on 2,500 square feet plot? That's a very good question, Ms. Nair. We have an FSI of 1.27. So on a 2,500 square feet plot multiplied by 1.27, you can construct around 3,165, if I'm not wrong, to be precise, square feet, which means कि अगर आप 2,500 स्क्वायर फीट के प्लॉट पे 1,500 प्लस 1,500 3,000 स्क्वायर फीट का अगर आप घर बांधते हो, so 1,000 square feet is still open in front of you, right? So you can construct up to 3,000 square feet and there is a height restriction of 6 meters, so G+1 आप बांध सकते हो उसमें. Mr. Anup Tejwani, how much application fee for 2,500 and 7,500? It's in the multiplication of 99,000, Mr. Tejwani. So for application fee for 2,500 square feet is 99,000 and for 7,500 square feet is 1,98,000. 2,97,000. It's 99 into 3. So we are anyways going to call you, Mr. Tejwani, for this. Yeah. Mr. Anonymous attendee, allotment program done in Mumbai or Dapoli site? Sir, it will be done at Dapoli site because that's the site you want to come there and have a look at the plots and where is the exact location. I'm sure no one will be comfortable doing it in Mumbai on papers. So it will be done at Dapoli site, sir. Mr. Pulkit Patni, please answer my questions. Don't avoid. Mr. Patni, I didn't get any of your question. I think I have answered your questions. Okay, you have mentioned, please answer your question on environmental approval. We did answer this question. So all the approvals will be in place. The reason this is going to be NA is because the environmental approval will be there. Only then an agricultural land becomes NA, Mr. Putney. So don't worry about that, right? My apologies if you have missed on your question, but that wasn't the intention, Mr. Putney. Galaxy Tab. Is CRZ applicable due to its proximity to the sea? Yes, it's coming under the CRZ 3 and it is applicable and cleared also. Mr. Sonavdekar has given his contact number, Ravinder ji. So if you can make a note of that. Yeah.
Yes, I have made a note of it.
Is land registered in Lodha's name currently? Yes, we can furnish all the details. I have done booking today, and if person done booking in your next seminar, does I get priority than that? Sorry, I have done booking today. Okay, you have already booked. Congratulations, Mr. Anonymous attendee. And if person done booking in your next seminar, does I get priority than that person? I didn't quite understand your question. The priority is basis the booking and not the webinar. Mr. Manoj Singh, direct road connectivity is available from Mumbai to the site through own vehicle. Yes, it is available. Application fee is included on total cost. Yes, it is inclusive. So you'll be lessening that amount when you're paying that. Right. So I think there are a couple of more questions. 34 more to go. We'll just quickly run through the questions. Yeah. Is it mandatory to build? Is there a timeline within which construction to happen? No, it is not. We've answered this question. You can hold an empty plot also. Mr. Tejwani, I'm very much interested. Kindly arrange. Yes, Mr. Tejwani, we are going to arrange a call. Right. Mr. Rohit, you can maybe connect with Mr. Tejwani and Mr. Tripathi. Right.
Yes.
Anonymous attendee, will there be any limitation or charges on resale of plot? Is there any lock-in? No, there is no such things. You will be the owner of that plot. So there is, after possession, there is no lock-in. It's only a lock-in till possession. Mr. Mihil M, what will be the finance ROI? So ROI is, as I told you, in 3 years, you can at least expect a 3x return out of this. You hold it for 7 and 8 years, you will get a 10x return on this. That's the beauty of land investment. So anyways, even when the construction, land always appreciates and the product depreciates. Mr. Jarodia, can I have more discount on upfront payments for larger size? Mr. Jarodia, there's no upfront payment which we are accepting right now. What is your definition of larger size? If you can just get back to us on one-to-one call, we will be able to discuss it. Mr. Anonymous attendee, is there new location you'll be launching in February? No. Mr. Vivid Sood, thank you for your answers, Mr. Kaushik. Pleasure, Mr. Sood. Mr. Mihil M, finance ROI, we have answered that question. Mr. Anonymous attendee, the Lodha Padmavati project is front of your project or at back? It is adjacent and it was a dipstick what we did. That's a 16-acre land parcel. It is our project only, but right now this is a bigger project, under the brand name of House of Abhinandan Lodha, and we have taken it to the bigger market. Anonymous attendee, is this tourist beach and there are a lot of religious places around beach? There is one Ganpati Mandir, 1 or 2 temples which are there, right? And this is a tourist beach. Yeah, it is an open beach to everyone. It is not a private beach. How will you connect me? Mr. Mihilam, I think we will have your number. Ravinderji will have his number, right? When he registered.
Yes.
Mr. Mihilam, right? We'll have his number. So we will connect with you, or you can just mention your number here, Mr. Mihilam. We'll connect with you. There is no lock-in period for selling the plot, Mr. Anonymous attendee. I would really appreciate if, just you can mention your name. We're having a one-to-one chat over here. It's better to, address people by their name rather than that's pretty rude, Mr. Anonymous attendee. Miss Ulka Sanas, after allotment, fencing will be done by you or at purchaser cost. We are going to build a compound wall. It will be done by us, Miss Sanas. But however, when you build your house, you are going to build your own wall, right? So for us, it will be demarcation of lot. Is Agom Road the approach for the venture? Yes, Mr. Benny Deepak. It's an Agom Road which is there. On the left side of Agom Road is some part of the land parcel which is Kolthare village. On the right side is another plot which is Sheetal Nagar. Mr. Mihilem, are you reading chats from specific people? I have asked 3 questions. No, Mr. Mihilem, I am going in the order of the questions. So this question asked by you was at 5:19 p.m. which I have reading now. So I'm going in the specific order. Any questions, Mr. Mihilem? I have given you my number. We are going to share you the number after this chat also, right? So you can feel free to connect with us. We'll be happy to assist you. It's just that this is a one-to-many conversation, so it's a little challenge for us also. But yes, we are trying to answer everyone's question. Mr. Agarwal, total how many plots planned? Around 800 to 850 plots, Mr. Agarwal. Mr. Iqbal Pothiawala, I am from Surat, location of plots. Mr. Pothiawala, we will connect with you, right? And I will show you the location of plots as well. Mr. Abhi, does buyer need to pay maintenance charges every year? Yes, Mr. Abhi, you have to pay maintenance charges every year. It's a recurring expense because all your amenities and all will be maintained. Does Aqua plot present before 25,000, 50,000 mean near to CV? No, Mr. Anonymous Attendee, we have given priority to them, right? How many number of plots I have answered? How can we apply? Mr. Hemant Goel, it's an online application. Our team will contact you and you can just maybe fill an application form. If needed be, we can give you a one-to-one presentation again, so that you gain confidence in the product also, and you are pretty satisfied and content with the decision of purchasing with us. Home loan available, Mr. Dipen Shah? Yes, home loan will be available. HDFC plot loan product. Mr. Pulkit Patni, your question comes again. Please send me the layout. Keen on Laguna. Yes, Mr. Patni, we have noted your number. We are going to contact you. Everything will be done then, right? Mr. Vas, what about commercial support near the plot? That is, if we build house now, what about the location day to day? There's going to be a grocery store in the compound, in the complex, Mr. Vas. And apart from this, in and around the Kolthare, there are shops also. There are people who stay there, so everything is available. Call me for further discussion. Ms. Pratna M is selling. Ravinder Ji, make a note, please. Yes. Mr. Iqbal Pothiawala, can you send the brochure of the project? Yes, the product brochure can be sent to you, Mr. Pothiawala. Mr. Benny Deepak, can you display the layout of the whole plotting so as to access the position? Mr. Deepak, if we may request you, if this can be done one-on-one, yeah, just in the interest of everyone's time. So we will contact you and we'll show this to you. Mr. Anonymous Attendee, plot 1 and plot 2 are different. Plot 1 and plot 2 are different. I didn't quite understand it. If you can come out more clear. Miss Anita Singh, Ravinder Ji has made a note of given a number.
Yes, I have made a note of it.
Yeah.
We will get in touch with her. Okay, there is one question that we have received on email from Rajshekhar Iyer, stating that wants to know, is there a restriction that once anybody builds a bungalow, it should be only G+1?
Yes, Mr. Shekhar, there is a height restriction. So as there is an FSI restriction, there is a height restriction of 6 meters. And hence I'm telling G+1.
Okay.
Yeah. Mr. Gupta, how will sewage drainage facilities provided? It all will be done. There will be a facility for septic tanks. So when you build your house, a septic tank facility and the internally things will be done by us, the pipelines. It all will be done. All these things will be provided. How much plots we have answered? Mr. Samir Belose, what are the height restrictions per floor? How many floors can be constructed? We have answered this now. So 6 meters is G+1. Ms. Ulka Sanas, as you said, height and FSI restrictions are there. Who will monitor those once you sold all the plots? It's a law, ma'am. It's a law. So everyone will monitor it. So there has to be height restriction. Otherwise, people are going to come and break it down. And we will have our own agency there, so that won't be allowed. The security is ours. So I'm sure everyone follows the law, right? And if someone is building, then probably, we just complained and that's been broken. No one would want to do that. Ms. Prarthana M, we are going to contact you, as you said. Can we go on your own to site visit? Yes, you can do that. Who will be there? Ma'am, there are no people who are available right now. And hence we have come up with this application model. So right now I would say you just participate. Any photographs, once I show you the photographs, you will be content to see those photographs, right? And it will help you to take your decision. What about drainage facilities? It will be provided. It's a part of the development plan. So it will be done, Mr. Gupta. Mr. Digankar, does Lodha provide boring well in individual plots? No, Mr. Digankar, it's common for everyone, right? Otherwise, it doesn't become cost effective. And so many bore wells, it is not possible also. Mr. Parkas Ketkar, cost is more than 500 rupees per square feet. How it is calculated? Mr. Ketkar, don't calculate the stamp duty registration. It is on the plot cost, which is 395 rupees, right? If you calculate on the total cost, then that is the cost you're paying to the government. So that's a wrong maths, Mr. Ketkar. Mr. Benny Deepak, is this Agam Road paved? If not, which is the closest Pakka road? No, this is going to be a Pakka road. This is going to be an approach road. It will be done, Mr. Deepak. Anonymous attendee, what is the security plan you'll be forming society? Society, there are no such plans of forming society now, right? Security plan, we have our own security facility management company. There are security IP enabled cameras. Everything will be there. Yeah. And we will be maintaining the site. So after society is formed, of course, society may take a decision to keep another facility management, but right now there are no plans of forming a society over here. Ms. Alka Sanas, please contact me. Ravinderji, please make note.
Yes.
Anonymous attendee, if 25,000, 50,000 plots are before Aqua and owner build mansion, then it's hardly get to see sea view. It's not like that. It's an inclined land parcel, Mr. Anonymous attendee, and there is a height restrictions, as I've mentioned. Ms. Anil Khake, can you share me the brochure? He has shared his number also.
Yes, I have made a note of it. I'll do that.
Mr. Abhi, thank you for answering my question. I'm interested in Aqua. Please contact me. Yes, Mr. Abhi, we will contact you, and pleasure. Anonymous attendee, I joined late. Can you arrange for a call? Send me details on surinder.nandwani@gmail.com. Right? So we will do that, Mr. Ravinder, and we can call him, Mr. Yes. Surinder Nandwani. Mr. Nandwani, it will be great if you can mention your contact details also. We will contact you. Mr. Anonymous attendee, does plot arrange in theatre view style? Which are better plots, back or front? All are going to be better plots, right? But since this is a pre-launch, if it's in front, it's better, right? And then that's what the product proposition is. So earlier you apply, it's better, you will get in front. Mr. Hemant Goel, apart from ₹5, is there any maintenance charge like water? No, Mr. Hemant, this includes everything. Mr. Surinder has given his number along with the email ID. If you can make a note, Ravinder ji.
Yes, I did.
It's done already. So, Mr. Parkas Ketkar, it's NA plots approving authority distance from Mumbai. The NA, Mr. Ketkar, is in process, and February, once we allocate, we are going to show you the NA certificate. Yes, having said that, for Lodha, Padmavati is already an NA plot, and hence this will also going to be an NA plot. Approving authority, so it's Panchayat over here, and distance from Mumbai. So distance from Mumbai is 200 kilometers, and from Panvel it's 165 kilometers. Mr. Samir Belose, I'm interested in Laguna. Shall wait for your call. Mr. Belose, I hope we have your number. Ravinder ji, हमारे पास number है.
Yes, we have it.
Okay, Mr. Belose, we will contact you. Yeah. Alternatively, Mr. Belose, you can make a note of my number also. So I'll just say, repeat my number. It's 9619-060301. Mr. Digankar, can I do agricultural on this plot? Why would you buy a land parcel at an expensive rate with me then? NA is a little at a higher price. There are plots which are available, agricultural land parcel, which are available at a lower price, Mr. Digankar. But इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लैंडस्केपिंग, आपका खुद का घर के अंदर आपको खेती करना है तो आप वो कर सकते हो, थोड़ी बहुत प्लांटेशन, झाड़ लगाना, कहीं कुछ फूलों के झाड़, यू कैन ऑलवेज डू दैट मिस्टर दिगंतर. बट एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड, अगर कुछ एग्रीकल्चर करना है, सो इट्स ऑलवेज एन एग्रीकल्चर, दिस इज एनी लैंड, तो आप इसके ऊपर अभी एग्रीकल्चर नहीं कर सकते. How many kilometers from Pune? 180 kilometers, Mr. Surinder. Okay, so I think, yeah, so we've taken up the questions, and a pretty good exercise, and I'm glad that this was a very interactive audience, and a lot of questions which were shooted to us, right? So thank you for your time, everyone. Yeah, and any referral policy if Mr. Anonymous is asking, so we will get back to you. Please contact us on this. Yeah. And thank you everyone once again for your time, and please make a note of your numbers. Mr. Ravinderji, you want to display your number as well?
Yes. First of all, thank you, Kaushik, and thank you, Rohit, for
pleasure
answering all the questions from our audience. And for others, I would say you can take down our email address. That is Ravinder, RAVINDER .Singh, SINDH @House Seekers, HOUSEEKERS.IN. I'll repeat, Ravinder.Singh @houseseekers.in. And I can also share my number in case you're looking for faster response. You want to block your plots on priority. You can do that. You can call me at 9324900168. I'll repeat, 9324900168. And our sales team will get in touch with each and every one of you for your further queries, and we can help you to get this allocation done for the booking process. Thank you, everyone.